Hello guys, good morning. So today, it's my mom's 60th birthday. And dito namin siya gagawin sa Blueville Resort. Okay? So, let's go. Prep na. Ayan. Simple lang naman. Simple celebration. So, quick tour muna tayo. This is the videoke room. And adjacent to it, it's a room. Okay. Tapos, dito ang kanilang function hall, events place, whatever. Maluwang naman. And this is the pool area. Yun siya, guys. So super okay. And this is another room. Inside, Kaltot! Hi! 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 Balloons? Anong kulay ng balloons? Yan lang. Nandito na mga taga Cavite with ice cream, special ice cream. Grabe, pagod na pagod. Ayan, sa mga gusto magpagawa, pwede na akong maggawa ng... Okay, let's go. So, tapos na siya. This one. Hindi siya pantay-pantay, pero pwede na yan. What? Are you going to swim na? Ha? Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
I'm going to swim. Sabi mo, I'm going to swim. Swim. Later. Dito kakain. Oh! Punti siya kaluna. Tara, singin tayo, singin. What is your name daw? What is your name? Kyle. Oh. Ching, 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 ching. Oh! What is your name? Say hi. Say hi. Say, oh! So what is your name? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Sabi mo, happy birthday, Tita Len. Sabi mo din sa kanya. Happy birthday, Tita Len. Tita Len. Pakweltot pangit. Huwag mong basahin. Tara na. Oh! Pup! Abnormal po. Tara na, dyan na. Baba mo na din. Swimming time. Sino ka ba? Happy birthday. Saya mo ah. Well, welcome to children's party. Children's party. Dito na. Picture. Fresh from Cavite. Gusto ko ito talaba. Kasi mainit. Wapin, fresh from Cavite. Ano ito buksan? Nulot mo rin? Oh my goodness. Ano to? Suka?
here. So fresh.
Para makakasama natin yung
Aray. Yes. Naputol yung bracelet. Bakit? Hindi ko alam. Manitos kasi. So poor. Aray. Uy. Laki. With sukang vinegar.
sarap niya. Ayun na kaldero din ito. Katakot din talaga.
Okay. Kaya kami. Tataba. Hop. Roast beef. Thank you sa ice cream from Cavite. Oy, Kaltot! Pangit! Ano? MLS life. Ang taray. Nagpunta dito ang mga Zumba girls. Woo! Kaya niyan. Fighting guys. Oh, Onin. You swim? You'll swim? Okay. Dito, children's party. Doon, senior citizens. Taray! Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love your mom and dad. Bye-bye!